Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is December 17th, 2022. Today, compound noun game. These are nouns, but they're two words, or sometimes three. 10 questions. It will start easy. We're using the Svano Vocabulary 8000. Our vocabulary school is now open. Please see our website. Let's begin. Number 1. It is a... Here's a picture. These are scissors and tape. What do you call this thing? If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Cardboard box. It's a cardboard box. 1 cardboard box, 2 cardboard boxes. We hate getting on our computer. These are things people send to you, to your computer, but you don't want them. For example, if they're trying to sell something. Junk mail. We hate getting junk mail on our computer. These are emails that you don't want, that you didn't ask for. Number 3. They pay their every month. This is something you have to pay with money every month, and you get something for it in your home. People also get one for electricity. Water bill. They pay their water bill every month. It is a... What's this thing? I'll give you a clue. What you do is in the name. Can you pronounce it? Measuring. It's a measuring cup. Number 5. Answer. It is... This is kind of a sport, but it's more entertainment. It's this kind of entertainment here. It's not really a sport. It's professional wrestling. The W is silent. We only pronounce the R. Number 6. You need a... To open a restaurant. If you want to open a restaurant, a new restaurant, you need this. Business license. You need a business license in order to open a restaurant. Bob lives in a... It's not a 3-bedroom unit. It's not a two-bedroom unit. It's very small. This place is so small it doesn't have a bedroom. Studio apartment, especially in big cities like New York. This is just one room with a small kitchen and a small bathroom. This happens twice a year in Canada and America. I don't know about your country. Everybody moves their clocks ahead 1 hour or back 1 hour. Daylight saving time. And people also say daylight savings time. Number 9. Jennifer wants to go to the... This place is very cold. Here it is on a globe. Right here. What do you call this? It's very cold. The North Pole. The North Pole. The South Pole. And the line in the center is the equator. Number 10, the last one. There will be a special election. It will be a... This is an election where the identity of the voters is not known. They don't tell everybody who they are. A secret ballot. This is when everybody votes for something, but they keep their vote a secret. You choose and you write that on a paper, but you don't put your name. Game over. Did you have fun? That's great. What's your score? What language do you speak at home? Do you have any cardboard boxes at home? Do you get junk mail sometimes? Did you use a measuring cup before? What did you measure? Very nice. You're doing very well. My name is Vinny. It's time to go. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.